So hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Okay, so one thing I would like to say that my mouse problem is actually fixed, and I am definitely going to code and use the mouse in a very better manner. Okay, so let's go to the Unity studio, so Unity Hub. So I have created a project create with Kotu that you have seen earlier. Now what I'm going to do here is that I've imported some kind of asset, and what you have to do in order to just import the asset into this folder is to go just in the assets option, then go to the import package, then here is the custom package option, just click on it, and when you click on it, this prototype 1 starter files will appear because I have downloaded it, and I will give the link of this prototype 1 starter files in the description, so you will download and import in this manner. Okay, so you will import this because I have already imported this in my Unity editor, so I'm not going to do that. So you guys should do that. Okay, then go to the assets folder, then in the assets folder what you have to do is just go to the this scenes folder, then double click on the prototype 1 in order to just open this scene. So this default scene will open up after you click prototype 1. Okay, so now what you have to do is that in assets just go to the course library. Okay, then in course library you will go to like obstacles, you will place obstacles like this in this manner, just click here and drag it to place here. Okay, so I've placed this is create 16, so I'm going to delete it because I don't need it. Okay, so I've also created a scripts folder. Okay, so in order to just create the scripts folder, you have to just go to this create option and then create this folder name as script. So scripts folder has already been created here, so I have made another script which is player controller. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so I'm gonna delete it because I'm gonna make this again for you. So now what you are going to do is this, go to the create option, then go to create C sharp script, name this as player controller. Okay, player controller. So save this script, and now just we are going to open this. Okay, now I'm going to tell you something like this. Input controls, this is our project 1. So input controls, what we are going to do is add some forward motion to this to our vehicle, so that is default tank in our scene. Okay, so in order to add some forward motion, just type this code along with me. So just pause the video and just code this. Okay, okay, transform dot translate vector 3 dot vector 3 dot forward. Okay, so you can do in whichever manner it suits. Okay, so I have written this line of code, just minimize it. Now our script is like saving all the details, and when you're gonna click on this play button, okay, wait, I think I haven't assigned this. Okay, so there's a difficulty here I'm getting. So in the vehicle armor, just control. Okay, okay, transform vector 3 dot forward, you can do this. So don't know why it's not taking. Control plus S. I've saved it now. I think it should run, or there's difficulty like taking upon a code. So this is what is going to happen. So this is a forward motion. You can also the slow down the speed of it by just typing this code along with me. So time dot delta time. So what does this time dot delta time does is to decrease to like default, what is the like frame rate, just slows down in one word or one line. I would like to say that it will just slow down. Okay, so when you just click again, then it will just slow down and it will just collide with our objects. Okay, so this forward motion has been applied. Now it will not move because there's some physics which I have added in all these obstacles that I've actually placed here. Okay, so what you have to do is, in order to add some physics, like when you just collide into the object, you have to just add a rigid body. Okay, so double click on this vehicle armor. Okay, here, so I have added this rigid body component. Okay, and you can change the mass and drag and any other property of this rigid body. So you can change the mass, you can send it to 2, or my default values are 1, so I'm just keeping it to 1. Now in the add component of these crates, okay, add component of these crates you can also add. Otherwise you can just copy an obstacle. Okay, you can copy an obstacle by just typing control plus D. So it will automatically create a copy of the object. For example, when I type control plus D, you can see there's a copy of this thing, this a wooden box that is created. Okay, so it will contain the similar properties that this wooden box is containing. So okay, so I have added forward motion, I have added physics in this video. Okay, so you can do one more thing. There's one more funny, I think. Let me show you. Transform function, that is transform dot rotate. You can also do this, transform dot rotate 1 comma 1 comma 1. So you can do this, or otherwise you can. So let's check like this, 1 comma 0 comma 0. Now, so when you control plus save, compiling C sharp script. Now when you just click on play, let's see what's happened. So this is what's going to happen. Okay, so in the x-axis it is going to rotate like that. You can also change the value, so see what's happening. In the scene tab you can see it has fallen down because like we have made a changes to its like uh, transform function. We have typed 1 here, so let's check upon something like this, 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so okay, I would not recommend doing such things because like it doesn't give a proper structure to the course. But because I have to show you everything, uh, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, so see what's happening. Okay, in the scene tab when you go, since it has gravity, because we have added rigid body component in this vehicle armor, so it keeps on continuously changing its position. You can see in the transform panel also. So that's it, enough for this video. I will gonna see you in the next lessons. Thank you.